Islands of Canada, 612, Skip Junkie, Gulf Islands, Pacific Coast of Canada, waving.
Hey, that's my first Canada, roger, right there. Hello, around the Pacific Coast of Canada, 700, Big Island of Hawai'i, 700, Southern Boat Station in the U.S., coming from the Big Island there, roger.
Sounding good, Big Island, Hawaii. You got the Gulf Islands of Canada, 612, 612 off the Pacific Coast on the Gulf Islands of Canada, waving aloha.
From the top side of Canada. And 410, roger, right on. 650 on Canada. You're looking mighty fine around my station. Almost I'm around 73. Blessings your way. Take care. Canadian station, number 700, right here. Working a mini gas, waiting aloha.
All right, 700. Sounding good, buddy. You're blowing smoke on the Pacific Coast of Canada. 612, Gulf Islands of Canada, West Coast of Canada. Waving aloha. Cheers.
And that's the west coast of Canada, roger, right now. And that's the west coast of Canada, roger, right there, right now. Thank you, Mother Nature, for that opportunity. Oh, working this regularly old ground plane station with coconut tops, number 700, shaking the trees. Aloha.
Aloha, bro, aloha. Have a good evening, my friend. Always good to talk to my Hawaiian friend. 612, Skip Junkie, Gulf Islands, Canada, reading the mail. It's awesome. Love these connections with the Central Pacific.
Station calling 700.